You know what is most human problem? Covetousness. Not satisfying. Thinking that, even though you don't own the land yet, you see somebody achieve theirs. And you grudge them, you envy them, you don't know what they do for achieve it. Go and put your flowers them and your vegetable them in a potting bag, man. Take your time and plant your little bush cabbage, your little thyme, your little comfrey, you understand, your little scallion, you know what I mean, your little leaf of life, and of course your kale, yeah man, and your parsley. Take your time, man. Don't watch what other people have, because that they happen to know it's a illusion of no eye. They deceive no plant no like organ, man. Yeah man, and guess what no? You don't have to use no chemicals. Surround them with marigold, which is a natural biological control plant repellent. Yeah man, do you look a seed bed? Do you look a seed bed under your step, man? Yeah man, and satisfy. Have you look a rosemary? Yeah man, and take your time, man. You understand? Have you look a seed under leaf, man? Yeah man, for liver and kidney cleanse. And satisfy with what you have, man. And that are no problem, man. And that a hurt, man. No. You see what people have and you don't know what they end up to achieve it. You know? Yeah, man. This a for me like a piece of land, you understand? Yeah, man. And I'm living in not human delusional satisfaction where they can't satisfy, but me humble, man. Very, very humble. You understand? Humble thyself. Satisfy with what you have. And tap me on the eye, deceive on you hear? Peace and light. Me love you. Yeah, man, for more inspiration like this, check out my new book on Amazon, Earth, Book 1, and also locally here in Jamaica. Yeah, man, stay tuned. Close line, who can wear it best? You will be getting a prize, a herbal package prize. Hold that.